So what video are you working on this week?
I am working on the car show, the Yuma Car Show.
Okay.
And you know, one thing that I want to reiterate in this week's video is that we have visited a lot of national parks and state parks, but all of the communities that we visit, there's a lot of things that happen in the communities. And you may be new at RVing and you may wonder, well, how do you find out about those things? So Ricky loves to talk. So there's been a lot of places that we've gone that he's found out about local things from other RVers that are staying at the park. One thing, for instance, that I was thinking about was...
When we were at Deer Lodge.
The...
Brandon the calves.
Yes, that was at Coors Ranch, Grant Coors Ranch.
It's amazing. We hadn't even discussed that, and I knew what you was talking about.
But one of the RVers, I had been wanting to go to the ranch, and then one of the RVers told you that the next day they were going to brand the calves, and they invited the public to come and watch. So we got to do that, and that was a lot of fun. And that was by word of mouth.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. So we've been to market days. We've been to festivals. Just since we've been here in Yuma, we went to the Tamale Festival. We've been to a barbecue festival.
Car show.
The air show. And
prison.
we went to the prison. That's a museum. We like to check out the museums in the areas. But the local happenings that are going on, so number one was by word of mouth from other RVers. The second way that you can find out about local events, sometimes the RV park, when you check in, they'll give you a list of local events and things that are going on. And then another way is just simply Google it. And I Googled things happening in Yuma. We find out about things from our friends.
Friends that are here yearly, or here, but maybe somewhere else, that they have annual events. And a lot of places have annual events, and people that are local know about those. So that's
And one thing that I really loved was when we were in Kanab, Utah, and I found out there was going to be a parade in town. It was a Longhorn parade. So they marched the Longhorns through town and then had the horses and buggies come through behind. And that was a lot of fun. So there's a lot of local events and things that you can attend when you're at different cities. We've been to a few parades and even been in one parade when we were going through Michigan.
It wasn't planned, that's for sure.
It wasn't planned. But there is a few things I would have done differently if I had thought about what I was doing. If you're making YouTube videos, you have to kind of think about what the viewers are seeing. So I was just videoing from the seat of the truck, and I wish I had, because we got in behind the parade and it was moving rather slowly through town, I wish I had have gotten out of the truck and videoed Ricky coming up the street behind this parade. Our first parade.
Turtle Days 23!
Turtle Days, is that what it is? Turtle Days?
I was trying to get out of that town.
So beware of small towns that you drive through on weekends, because they could just be having a parade.
Could be.
We went to a parade in Aransas Pass. Was that the Oyster Fest parade?
Yeah.
But just a lot of local things that happen. And so the things that we gave you 4-5 good ways that you can find out about those. But today, in this video, we're going to take you to the Oasis Car Show here in Yuma. And how many cars did they say were there?
I'm not sure exactly how many cars, but they said there was 1,000 cars in the parade.
We missed that parade.
We didn't see the parade.
The parade we went on Saturday, and the parade was on Friday afternoon.
I will say this. sometimes when you say car show, maybe a couple hundred cars, but this was by far
Massive.
the biggest car show that I'd ever been to.
And I didn't get around to all of them with the video, but I'm going to show you a lot of cars today. So we want you to come along with us to the Yuma Oasis Car Show. And they have it annually every year. I believe it's the first weekend in March. So if you're in Yuma, put that on your calendar to attend the Oasis Car Show.
If you like cars. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of walking, but got to see history.
Reminisce
Yeah.
of old vehicles that we had back in the day.
That we wish we still had.
This is going to be a series of fun things that we've done in Yuma. So this week we're doing the car show, and then next week we'll take you to the air show, and then the following week we'll take you to the Territorial Prison Museum here in Yuma. So lots of fun things to do in Yuma, and we've tried to take it all in as we do other things. And what other things have we done in Yuma?
We like to eat.
We like to eat, but we've played pickleball,
Yeah, we
lots
have.
of pickleball. We've been on the courts a lot. And
We've actually been to 2 birthday parties of
Birthday
friends
parties with
that we have met
friends.
along the way.
and I like to get in the pool and exercise.
Yeah.
So that's been good for me, getting my old bones moving. And
Did
in
you hear what
shape.
she said, old bones?
But I've done
I'm
pretty
glad
good.
this is recorded.
I've done pretty good on the pickleball court too.
She's gotten much better on the pickleball court.
And everybody here can't get over this serve that he has. He puts a spin on it when he serves it.
Yeah, if I could just had anything going on with it. Sir, I'll say this, though. For this park, pickleball is a very large... Actually, there's been 180 plus sign up. But this park is organized, and that's something we weren't quite used to. But we've met a lot of folks.
They have a
through
lot
that.
of tournaments.
We've had tournaments,
round robin plays. They have ladder plays.
Yeah, and they teach you. They have lessons for
There's
people
8
who are
courts.
just learning. Yeah.
So that would be 32 players at one time, but 180 people, and you think, well, how do you how often can you play? We've played as much as we wanted to play.
Actually, I played some more than I wanted to. But yeah, and there's still a lot of open play.
And a lot of back-to-back games. I know I've played 5 games in a row.
We played 6 yesterday in a round robin. And that, like I say, that's something that I'm not quite used to far as the organization, but it makes things go a lot better.
And then we've had a couple meals. They cooked
Yeah.
hamburgers one day for the pickleball players.
And then we had a
We had a
potluck.
potluck.
Yeah.
So just met a lot of new people on the
Yeah,
courts.
and then in this park, probably at least 50% of the people are Canadians. So they had what they call the Canon tournament, Canadians against Americans, and then we just had one
Teamed up with a
Canadian, and we did with our friends Tad and
Jamie and
Jane.
Tad.
Yeah, so it's that I know she's talking about going places, and I got to shut up, but that's one way that we have met a lot of people at some different parks. Where we go in Texas, we met a lot of good friends that
On
are
the
still
pickleball
friends
court.
that are on the pickleball court. Yeah.
So we're going to go now to the car show, and then stay tuned for videos coming up of lots of other fun things that we've done here in Yuma.
Yeah. Washed and cleaned and...
We got to get to the video. We have all met up at the Safeway. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trikes. one two-wheel bike, and one smart car. So we're headed to the car show here in Yuma. So come on along with us.
Shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. You better hold on to the leather and thread, 'cause we're gonna take off like a thoroughbred. Take you for a ride in my brand new car. Look at the stars, don't they shine it bright? The moon is full, so it's a perfect night. Give me a kiss and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. The stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full and makes a perfect night. So come along and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you in my brand new ride, 'cause I got a new car and the keys are inside. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
This is the biggest car show we've ever been to.
Absolutely.
Big.
When they said car show, this wasn't what I was anticipating.
This is a monster
Yes, it is.
car
Yes.
show without monster vehicles.
No monster truck.
Big. This is, what is that Spanish word for big?
Mucho.
Mucho. This is
Mucho grande.
I forgot what that word was.
Really?
We didn't, Ricky.
He said he would never say that word again in Mexico. Power. Ooh, look at this fair lane. Check that out.
56 was a good year.
Or is it 57? Oh, they had 56 on the license plate.
Keep doing that. We've seen a few of those.
Got a Jaguar here.
Oh yeah.
There's the Jaguar. Jaguar. It's a Jaguar. And there's the Ford. The wooden Ford.
She's 1 month. Oh, brand new baby.
Not for sure which model this is, but it's a Ford Deluxe. Let's check out and see what year model this is. This is a 40. A 42-door sedan. There is about any year model, any make vehicle here that you would want to see at the Oasis Car Show in Yuma, Arizona. How small the trunk is. Well, of course, they put the sound system in there, so that took up part of it. Check this bad boy out. Camaro Super Sport. Let's see what year model it is. It is a 67 Chevy Camaro. You can see how big this place is. There are cars. It would take us all day. It's gonna take us all day just to walk through. And that's with not spending very much time at all at each car. There's another Chevy Super Sport. That one's black. We'll get to the front of it in a few minutes. I think right now we're going down an aisle where we're looking at the back of them. They have them turned different directions, and there's another Super Sport, gray with a black top. What is this?
What do they call that? Tailgating. You can sit there.
This is the old station wagon in memory of Henry. Ted and Henry. An old station wagon. Let's check out and see what this is. This is a 55 Chevrolet Handyman Wag. Handyman wagon.
Oh, I think it's Royal Automobile Club. Great Britain.
Yeah.
Looks official.
That makes sense.
That's a nice color.
Check out this rod. Is that what they're called? Rods?
I like that.
Almost. Oh!
This is a 32 Ford rod. This one is a 32. Ford window, 3-window coupe. This is a 32 Ford soft top. Wow. Check out this farm truck. A 31 Ford sedan. Seen what though?
looks like one big header all the way up.
But it
Right
stops
on the
right in
tire.
front of the tire.
Well, that puts heat on the tire, so you can light it up.
What do you light up? What are you lighting up?
Lighten up things.
Check out this thing though.
You can send them pull up to a plate, right? They can put water on the ground and they smoke the tires and stuff. Did you ever watch it?
What are you talking about, man? Are you up there?
A racetrack. Have you not seen a racetrack with lights up here that come down? That's called a picture.
They're just having fun. Let's go over here and check out this yellow car. Check it out. Look at the inside of this thing. Wow.
Well, that makes sense. Well, thank you. Now I'm more educated.
So, I don't know what that is, but that was
That doesn't have a sticker. Yeah, there's the sticker. This is a 60 Chevrolet Bel Air.
With their skirts on.
I'm not real good at my cars. Got an old truck here.
the starch.
Let's see what year model it is. Pontiac. 58 Pontiac Star Chief.
What year was yours?
Now that's the station wagon you drive down Route 66 in. Yeah.
This was what Todd had when he
A
was,
71 Ford
well, a 73, but F1 100.
F100.
That's what he had, yeah, when he was a young man learning how to drive.
Those are pretty colors. That wine red and dark gray.
Special deluxe.
What is it? Got a sticker somewhere?
Like
It's a Chevrolet. We have a sticker in the window somewhere. I don't see a sticker in it.
I don't see a sticker. It's probably laying in the seat in there.
Chasing love can drive you mad and make you feel real good, make you feel so sad. Oh, 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 chasing love make you act just like a fool. You can hardly speak when she smiles at you. Oh, 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 chasing love. Lonely heart, what can you do when the one you want don't want you?
How long have you owned the car?
This one?
This one about 15 years.
Really?
But I've had 22 of these
Oh, goodness.
since 1963.
So he knows how to keep them moving.
He knows how to keep them moving.
So y'all from Washington?
Yeah.
That is a sharp car.
Thank you.
So it's a 1957?
Ford Skyline.
Okay.
People call them retractables too.
Retractables.
And it's a Ford
Chasing love can drive you mad and make you feel real good, make you feel so sad. Oh, 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 chasing love. Oh, 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 chasing love.
Now this is a pink Cadillac, and it's called the cruise ship. Pink Cadillac. Not for sure. Let's go around and see what year model it is. This is a 58 Cadillac DeVille. The year my sister was born. 58 pink Cadillac, the cruise ship. 1950 Oldsmobile 88 Futuramatic.
I actually enjoyed that the most part.
There's a yellow Bel Air. This one has an FFA jacket in it. It's a Bel Air. This is a 57 Chevrolet Bel Air. So I have a sister born in 57 too, Brenda. This was the car. So that one kind of looks pink too. Kinda, sorta. That's a Chevrolet. And that is a 57 Chevrolet. Lots of 57s out here. Thunderbird. And another Mustang. They got them all here at the car show.
I did every single thing myself, except spray the paint. I had the gun in my hand.
This gentleman said he has a little problem with his transmission, so these guys are here. Put the scotch in it, and they're gonna raise the front of it up and look at his transmission. It says it's the transmission. And this car belongs to him as well. This looks like this is probably original paint on this. It's peeling on the top. Check this out. Huh. How would you like to have driven that? Or even ridden back there? This is a 31 Ford pickup. Got a Nova here. Chevy Nova. Check out the paint job on that thing.
It would be like in Toontown. Like it just looks kind of like cartoony, kind of.
Uh-huh. Look at the paint job,
I
though.
know. It looks unreal.
The motor don't even look real.
No. It all looks like it's out of a cartoon.
Yeah. This is a 1939 Ford Roadster.
I like the tack and all that.
Check that out. Here, moving on down the line, we got a 53 Custom Commander. Here we got a 55 Dodge Royal. And then we have a Nova Super Sport. Check out this truck. Sharp truck. Super Sport. This one is a 67 Chevy Chevelle. Lots of old trucks. That's a 63 Chevy pickup. This says don't touch. A 1940 Chevy Coupe. Coupe. They need to get the California Duster to it. Sharp ride. Purple car. Now that car is purple. Very purple. This is a 58. Look under the hood of that thing. This is a 58 Chevrolet Impala. Check out that ride. It even has a purple steering wheel. Purple inside. Check that out. How cool is that? That car is purple.
1956 Chevy Bel Air.
56 Chevy Bel Air. That was the year Ricky was born.
It's the original color. That was the original color of the upholstery.
Huh.
66,000 miles.
Wow. Only has 66,000 original miles.
The power steering, we have an old Jeep that has no power steering in it. But when we don't have power brakes.
Bel Air. 56 Bel Air.
Would be nice, yes, sir, but that's a beautiful car, by the way.
Chevy Bel Air.
Yes, sir.
That's a F100. It's got some kind of crank on the back of it.
F+2, some kind of
Farm, some kind of farm crank. Someday Farms.
I know.
Oh, that's a beer keg.
It's a grill.
And that's a grill? Check that out. That's a grill.
I'm assuming that is.
And this tank is beer keg. See it dripping? Well, that was a fun day at the car show.
It was a very good day at the car show. Yeah, it was hot. I mean, it was actually very hot that day.
Very hot that day.
But yeah, it's like she said. This one gentleman, I'll say that maybe real quick. This one gentleman had his remote hid open in the roof and folding it all back in, and I'm standing there looking, and I'm knowing he's there. He got to laughing. I see, okay, I see where it's at. But anyway,
He was hiding his remote control.
He was hiding
his
his remote
whole car
control.
was opening.
Yeah, and he done it backwards and forward for us, which was pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I showed that on the video.
Yeah, but it's.
I showed him that already.
You show him that already? Mm-hmm. I don't have a clue what we're doing. I'm just standing here looking stupid.
Right now, we're going to end the video.
We're going to end the video. Okay. Well, thanks for coming along.
What did we teach everybody
What we teach
today?
everybody? I don't know. What did we teach
We
everybody?
taught them different ways that they can get involved with local things going on in the communities where they visit.
Well, it's kind of like this park. If you're, if there ain't nothing to do, it's just because you don't do nothing. There's so many things in here that we haven't even thought about
But
doing.
we forgot the most important thing.
Which is what?
Where we've met people.
Where we met people.
In church.
Well, we met some, yeah, absolutely, in church as well.
We chose
they
chose this time to attend the church in the
Here.
park. Sometimes when we're at places, we visit local churches in, in the city.
Some parks don't have services.
Church services, but they have a church service here. Yeah. And so we've been going on Sunday morning, and we've met some awesome folks there.
Yes, we have. Vicky.
We've met Vicky and Mike.
And Kelly. Yeah.
And several others.
Yes.
But, yeah, so that's another way to meet folks and do things.
Yeah.
When you're traveling.
Yeah.
We don't get bored. Although you're bored today because it's windy outside and it's dusty outside.
And she don't want to do nothing.
We had 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts this morning. Did you know that?
45
Yes, we did. Sustained at 35. That's what the weather said.
Yeah. Well,
so we're going to end this video.
No, we're not.
And we hope you enjoyed the car show. And we're going to end the video.
Okay. Go for it.
Well, we want to thank all of you for following us along on our journey as Ricky and I are soaring together
and living life
in different places.
Yuma,
Arizona.
See you.
Thanks for watching.